Mama.
A mother's job is to fix things. But some things...
How am I gonna get that toy? One hot dog at a time.
Here you go, sir. Enjoy that.
You work so hard. You give everything. And sometimes, it's just not enough.
Barnaby, I don't know what to say.
Just getting it ready for the morning rush.
Don't say anything. Go on. He's waiting.
I thought my job was just to provide. But they taught me. It's to belong.
Movie Flow.